back to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another freaking video. So as y'all see, I get a big old house. As y'all see, y'all saw that. So you wanna join this girl on the first day of the game? Oh my god! Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and press that bell. So yeah, y'all, and don't forget to turn the notifications on. Turn those on. I don't like this house. This house ugly. She needs to get it better. She made me come down. So her house just for this girl. Uh, hi. I said hi. Hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. I'm back, y'all. How do you my work? That's me. How I help you. Where'd she go? Is she in there? Okay, she made me just go to her house, y'all. Don't be. But anyways, where'd she go? Like, I know she want me to build her house, but how may I help you? Cause she's not telling me anything. Her house ugly. That's how my house was. And then I built me a new house, baby. Hey, hold on. Where did she just go? Whatever. I was just going to my house because she's doing so much. She is erupting my time making a video with y'all. Like, what's up? What's up to that? Cause I will beatbox you. But anyways, guys, why y'all watch my videos? Y'all don't give them a thumbs up. Like, baby, give this video a thumbs up and turn the notifications on. And please get me to 10 subscribers. If you are watching this video, share it to your friends. Get this video. I want to get this video to 10K likes. Well, I bet y'all can't do it to 9K likes. Or 20K. Matter of fact, do it to 100K. So yeah, y'all. I'm just gonna give y'all a home tour of my house. I don't know. That's just the hallway, but yeah. That's another outside. I don't even know what I'm gonna put in here. This is my bedroom. Oh, my bed. Hold on. This is the kitchen. And this is my bedroom. You probably got like, why she got so many windows? She nosy. But I got a lot of bedrooms in here. But you gonna put a baby room in here because like some of these rooms are gonna be bad. Bad. So we're gonna go back downstairs. Starving. Who is starving, bro? I'm not starving. I'm not even. How do I get some food? Oh my god, my bills gotta be paid. Oh, I didn't make the press there. I got some bills to pay. They get on my nerves. I always trying to get my bills. Like, get your own money, wait. I'm not starving once again. My sister, my big sister, she make this room for me like I told her to. She's lovely. I just want to thank her for doing it. But I did like some of it, but she did most all of it. So now, guys, I don't really know what to do, so I'm gonna take another opponent with that. So we're gonna build a baby mama. My sister got all the rooms wrong, which is I didn't. Should this be the baby room? I don't know. Somebody could come in. I just ate. I'm still starving. These Roblox folks, y'all, I'm telling y'all, they really get on my nerves. If Roblox people watching this, I hate y'all. I really do. I really do. Break your rules. That means me is stupid. So y'all, oh my god. Don't press it with my mouth, cause I don't like the. So yeah. So guys, we're gonna be ending this video. Peace out, like, share, subscribe, and comment. And I'm out.